Hello. Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about the 5 healthiest foods you should eat in the morning. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Among all of the factors that affect the overall health of all human beings, diet plays the most important role. Diet is the key to having both mental and physical health. In between all the meals in a day, it has been strongly suggested by experts for years to have a nutritious breakfast to have a healthy body. If you start your day with a healthy and efficient breakfast, it will keep you fresh and full all day long. The benefits of eating breakfast are numerous, such as it encourages you to eat healthier because it keeps your stomach full and prevents overeating. It balances your blood sugar. The reason is having breakfast in the morning makes the body work more, which can cause better breakdown in glucose amount. It also boosts your metabolism. If you are on a diet, do not skip breakfast ever, because it gives your body the message of starving, and it starts to conserve and avoid to burning calories. Having breakfast can increase your energy. For those who have to do the physical activity, it is necessary to have a high-quality healthy breakfast to energize their body. Also, for those who have to do mental activity, breakfast can have a great influence of brain working. And at last, about benefits for hearts. As it decreases blood sugar and increases metabolism, it supports your heart from diseases like blood pressure. So, stick around to the end, because in this video we are going to tell you the 5 best foods to eat in the morning. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. Drink a glass of water. The first and the most important tip is drinking enough water. It may seem not necessary, but the fact is that drinking at least 8 cups of water every day is essential for your health, because it helps your body carry vital nutrients to your cells, and it'll cut toxins and waste products. Besides, it keeps your metabolism rate high. Remember that you must drink water before you feel thirsty. You should know drinking a glass of water with an empty stomach is very helpful for your health and your digestive system. It will strongly affect the movements in your bowel. Try plenty of liquid per a day. And if you find plain water boring, flavor it with slices of fruit like lemon, berries, and etc. Number 2. Have dairy products. All of us need dairy products in our daily life. Dairy products such as yogurt, cheese, milk, and its products. It has been suggested for everyone to drink 3 glasses of milk every day. Actually, dairy products are the best source of calcium and vitamin D and many other nutrients. Calcium and protein are essential elements for having strong bones and healthy teeth. Dairy products provide your daily need for phosphorus and B vitamins. Some people are lactose intolerant, which means milk and its products may cause some problems in their digestive system. Even if you are lactose intolerant, you can eat yogurt. Yogurt will not cause any trouble for you. The best choice for starting a day is to have Greek yogurt for breakfast, because it contains more calcium than any other dairy product, as well as probiotic bacteria, which is a sort of beneficial bacteria for your digestive system. Number 3. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrate food or starchy food include bread, rice, pasta, potato, and all food that are rooted in grains. If you want to be energetic all day long, you should provide your daily energy with healthy foods. The best choice for you is starchy food like potatoes, bread, and rice. Do not use white rice or bread, because in the process of making white rice or white flour, its fiber, its vitamins and minerals are missing. And these refined grains will quickly turn into sugar in the body, and the result is the body will store them as fat. But, unrefined carbohydrates will provide fiber and energy source nutrition for your body. Number 4. Protein. Every person should have high-quality protein during the day. Protein is vital because it builds new tissues for bones and muscles. Your muscles need protein to grow. Some excellent sources of protein are meat, fish, beans, nuts, eggs, lean beef, chicken, and pork. They have not only high-quality protein but also are rich in iron and other essential minerals. You should have 2 portions of oily fish in a week like salmon or sardines. Having eggs or omelets can be a great healthy choice for beginning a day. Number 5. Caffeine. Maybe the most famous drink for beneficial nutrients is green tea. It has been used for centuries all around the world. Most people have heard about its antioxidant properties, its effect on boosting metabolism and energy. Green tea's major ingredient is catechins, which is a type of caffeine and antioxidant. It is in charge of breaking down fat molecules. Several studies have shown that people who drink 1-2 cups of green tea per day tend to have lower risks of heart diseases, blood pressure, cancers, and diabetes. The only thing you should consider while you are making this beverage is that it should not boil for too long, like more than 10 minutes, cause it may destroy its catechins and turn it into an inefficacious drink. It is better to have it 30 minutes before you exercise and in the morning, because drinking it at night may cause some sleeping difficulties for you. In comparison with green tea and other drinks which have caffeine, coffee has the most amount of caffeine in it, which is about 93 milligrams in every cup. Coffee also contains theobromine, theophylline, and chlorogenic acid, which are 3 significant compounds for boosting metabolism and energy, which makes it a wonderful option for morning beverage. Also, because of its bitter taste, it suppresses your appetite and makes you feel full during the day. Breakfast is a very important meal in a day. Never skip it because it will hurt several parts of your body. The digestive system and mental progress are 2 of them. Not having breakfast will impact your daily functions, your energy, even your mood. We gave you 5 wonderful foods for a healthy breakfast. There are no acceptable excuses for not having breakfast anymore. Have your breakfast and protect your health. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.